Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I want to clear something up. I get a lot of people watching this show and complaining they don't see a review. This is not the show where I review the instant noodles and give you the score, generally. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So, it's the first thing I say, right? So, anyways, yeah, so I do this video on the day that I review the noodles. I'm 100 reviews ahead, okay? And I do these videos, which I'm like 3 weeks ahead. So the video will come out on YouTube before the actual review post comes out on the site. And so, and then when the review post comes out, the video is with that. Plus, on Facebook, the video and the actual review post come out on the same day as well. So you get both of them there. Yeah. So, anyways, if there was some misconstruing, whatever. Today I got something from India. Nothing that misconstrue about that. My last of my haul. Actually, there's one more, but I'm not sure if I reviewed it. But it's Top Ramen Masala Noodles. Masala. I enjoy masala noodles, and it was a 4-pack. So I'm going to do 2 of them because one just ain't enough. I get 4 noodly doodlies, seasoning deals. You separate 2 of them and you cook it. Here's the noodle block. Drop 1 and 2. And those are going to go for a minute. There we go. My phone just crapped out on me. There's nothing wrong with it. Turns out it was T-Mobile's fault. Which is okay. Don't want it to be mine. But yeah, it went all the way down to no SIM card detected, emergency calls only. And on down detector it was showing like, here's the last 24 hours, it's like flatlined, then boom, it had like over 100,000 complaints on just that one. So yeah. But all is well, ladies and gentlemen. All is good here. It's working again. Not that it was really a horrible deal. It was very short-lived. Yeah. Hey, Miles, how you doing? Miles is doing stuff and things. It's his, the phone thing happened at the exact same time that all of a sudden there was all these cars honking downtown, and it's like, whoa, what's going on? Is there like, is there a protest? Is there a riot? No. I looked on the community Facebook group. Congratulations! Elementary students, 2020 graduating elementary school. Crap, man. When I was a kid, I didn't get any kind of hoo-ha for graduating elementary school. Wow. I mean, not to say that they don't deserve at least a little bit of recognition. I mean, come on. School for me was an absolute horrible experience. However, I'm over that now. I don't bear any grudges. Not many. Yeah. Oh, yeah, school. How can I bear any grudges? I hopped on the scale on Saturday and I'm down 160 pounds since I started. Which 160.6. Which means that I am 4.4 pounds away, or at least I was 4.4 pounds away from getting under 200 pounds, which is crazy. I don't think I've been under 200 pounds. Jeez. Mid-90s? Yeah, like 25 years ago I might have been there. And I was in crappy health. I think I got down to 170 at one point during the 90s, and that was because I was doing things, you know, that are not good for you. But, you know, what can I say? It was the 90s, man. It was the 90s. You remember the 90s? Do you remember the 90s? Remember the 80s? I remember the 80s. I often have conversations about old computer junk from the 80s. That's always fun. Alright. We are almost done here. We are done. Finito. So it says, I believe it says, you have to let it cool and thicken. Stir well and cook for 2 minutes. Allow gravy to remain. That's it. That's the end of the cooking instructions. Allow gravy to remain. Does that mean you're not supposed to eat it? I don't know about that. I eat the gravy. Who doesn't like a little gravy? I was thinking I'd use this bowl. It's a nice bowl. Try these noodles that are lovingly bathed in masala gravy. They want to stay on my fork. You're gonna stay on my fork? I hope so. I really like the chew on these. It's kind of an Indian thing. Their noodles usually have a really neat chew to them. The masala is excellent. Yeah, I like this. And I'm bummed though because I didn't get things that I really wanted to put with it. I'll admit it. I was out walking this morning. I thought, hey, I should buy some peas and carrots like it shows on the package. Yeah, no, I'm gonna keep walking. Let's put this in here. There we go. Let's see. There you are, look at that. Now, what are we gonna do here? I'm gonna add some crispy garlic. That doesn't sound like a bad idea to me. It's all pulverized. Just crisp garlic. And now we're gonna add a little bit of Cashews. Cashew nut. Hello. These all mushed up good. They're pretty good. Dump a bunch of these on here. And I got some high-end chili flake. It's chili flake. What does it matter? It's from Papa Murphy's. So, but yeah, that's where I'm going with this one, I think. And actually, I'm going to spruce it up one slight bit more. Just gonna put a nice tree's worth of coriander on top. Coriander tree. That's at least what I'm gonna call it. If it wants to cooperate. Oh, that's a mung bean sprout. You're not coming along for this ride, mung bean sprout. I like that. Beauty, eh? God, I miss Canada. Alright. I think we're here. We've arrived in Flavorland. Come to where the flavor is. It's in a tasty bowl of noodles. Let's rotate. Hello. That's my Mr. Spock mug that I got for my birthday from Steven over at the Ramen Raider group on Facebook. How's it going, man? Yeah, go check out, just type in Instant Noodles the Ramen Raider on Facebook and you'll see the group. There's a lot of cool people putting up a lot of neat stuff. Yeah, this was really tasty stuff. I like it. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Wishing, yeah, you're okay. And you. Enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.